Hello dear students. In this lesson, I'm going to talk about relative pronouns and relative adverbs in the Sunrise 9. Let us begin. Relative pronouns, we have 5 relative pronouns, which is that, who, whom, whose, and which. And also we have relative adverbs, which are where, when, why, what, and how. They are used to join clauses to make a complex sentence. It means both relative pronouns and relative adverbs are used to join clauses to make a complex sentence, which is, in other words, to make longer sentences. In this lesson, we are just talk about who and where. We are just talk about who, which is a relative pronoun, and where, which is a relative adverb. The usage of relative pronouns. Let us see what is the usage of relative pronouns. Who can be used as a subject or an object for people. It means we can use who in 2 cases. Either it is subject or it is an object. Just for people, we are only just use who just for people. As I mentioned here, we are just used for people as a subject and as an object for people. So we have 2 cases, subject and object. For example, the girl who is talking to the teacher is my cousin. Look, here we have who. Why I use who? Because the girl is people. So I am talking about a person, a girl, or a people. That is why I am using who instead of something else. Okay. Another example. The girl who you talk with is my nephew. Again, look, why I use who? Because we have the girl, which is a people. And because who is come in the middle of the sentence, it is mean I used as an object. Okay. Another example, who learns Spanish. In the sentence, who is an object. Again, it is a relative pronoun, but is used as an object because it comes at the beginning of the sentence. Okay. The doctor who you visit today was my brother. The doctor who you visit today was my brother. Why we use relative pronouns? In order to get rid of repetition. I'm not going to say the doctor or the doctor again. Instead of those repetition of the doctor, I'm using who, which is refer to the doctor. It's clear? And relative adverbs, like relative pronouns, a relative adverb is used to add more information to the sentence. Like relative pronoun, relative adverbs used to add more information to the sentence. As I said, we have where is used after noun that refer to places. Where is used to after nouns that refers to place. So be careful here, is used to refer to places, not people. For example, the library is a place where you can borrow books. The library is a place where you can borrow books. Why I use where? Why I didn't use who? Because the library is a place. The library isn't a person. So this is a place, that's why I am using where instead of who. Another example. This is the hospital where I was born. Look, again, the hospital is a place. So I have to say where instead of who or another relative adverbs. I am not sure where he lives. In the sentence, I am talking about he lives. So because the sentence is referred to some address, for example, a house or somewhere, that's why I used where instead of who. I know the house where he lives. I know the house where he lives. Again here, we have the house. That's why I used where instead of who. Thank you for your listening.